So these pants need a new drawstring because the other one ripped out. I don't happen to have a pant drawstring lying around, but I do have this used up running shoe. So I'm going to use the shoelace from that because it's nice and stretchy, pretty soft, and easy to thread. I've also used bootlaces, but they just feel too long for this particular procedure. Alright, so when you're threading something like this, you gotta go through a hole, and the idea is to push it all the way around until it comes out this hole on the other side. Easier said than done. Sometimes this little stiff bit at the end of a shoelace is enough to push through. You need something hard to push it with. If whatever you're using, your string, your lace, doesn't have anything hard at the end, these little like hair clips work well. Also a bobby pin. I've used bobby pins before. You can kind of clip it on like that. Just make sure you get enough of it so it won't pull out. Because if you lose this clip in the pants, it's really not fun trying to get it out. I've done that. Put your hard thing through. Give it a push. And then I usually just do like a scrunch and pull method. So this is the length of my hair clip there. So I'll like scrunch the fabric up and then pull it out the other side. And it ends up threading the lace around. This pair is letting me do it really easily. Sometimes it's not this easy, and that's fine too. And look at that, out the other end. And it has a new drawstring. Armpit holes. I have 2 of them. And I'm going to show you how to fix them. Super easy, super simple. I don't actually have any black thread. Somehow it never seems to come up at the thrift shop. So I have this brown. And I have this linen navy blue. But the linen has a bit of a shine to it. So I almost feel like the linen's going to show up more than the brown. So I'm going to go with the brown. They're both pretty small holes, depending on your perspective. This one's right along the seam, which is so easy to fix. And this one is kind of eroding away from the seam. So that'll be a little bit more challenging, but it's still doable. I know it's hard to see with the black. So we're going to start with the easy one first.